If you're looking for side hustles that can earn you around $3.14 per minute, here are 5 options to consider. The first side hustle is freelance writing or editing. Experienced writers and editors can often command rates of $50 or more per hour. At that rate, you'll be making about $3.14 per minute. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. The second side hustle is tutoring. Specialized tutors in subjects like math, science, or test prep can charge from $50 to $100 per hour. Online platforms like Vicent or Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students in need. The third side hustle is consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, consulting can be very lucrative. Whether it's business, marketing, or consultants can charge anywhere from $100 to several $100s per hour. The fourth side hustle is graphic design. Skilled graphic designers can earn from $50 to $100 plus per hour working on logo designs, branding, and other visual content. Websites like 99 Designs and Behance showcase freelance opportunities. And the last side hustle is virtual assistants. High-level virtual assistants offering specialized services, like social media management, project management, or executive assistants, can earn upwards of $50 per hour. Check out sites like Belay or Time, etc. for such roles.